They respect the shirt. Science, because making stuff up is not okay. Hey, welcome. It's Monday. Ugh, choking myself. Okay, good to see everybody. Glad you guys are at home, and hopefully you guys get to get outside today because it's supposed to be a good day. Crossing my fingers. Okay, let's get started on Monday. Let's screen share, and we'll get to Schoology. Core 1. Oh, there I am. I'm already in the question. And so when you get to Schoology Core 1, 2, 3, or 4, go to the green folder and then click on Monday. Now don't forget, if you haven't submitted your project from last week, make sure that you go dig that up, even what you have. If you're not quite done yet, just give me what you have because I'd rather have you have some points than nothing. So today's vocabulary term is atom. The atom makes up everything, right? So it says atoms are the tiny basic units that make up all matter. There are many different types, each with its own name, mass, and size. There's the ones they put them on the periodic table of the elements. These different types of atoms are what make up the chemical elements organized in the periodic table. So this is really brief, but I'll play you the video and then make sure you write the definition of the term in your own words all the way down here. So here comes the video. Enjoy.
Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Your books, your pencils, your clothes, and even the air are made up of atoms. Atoms are extremely small and cannot be seen with the naked eye or even a magnifying glass. The word atom comes from the ancient Greek word atomus, which means indivisible. For example, if you take a block of gold and chop it in half again, and again, and again, for a very, very long time, you would eventually get to a point where you can cut no more and be left with the smallest piece of gold possible, an individual gold atom. Think of the block of gold as a room of balloons. If you halve the number of balloons in the room, halve it again, and keep doing this till you eventually end up with just one balloon. And then you cut the last balloon. Does it still function as a balloon? No. The same can be said about atoms. If I were to halve the last atom of gold, it would no longer be gold. So an atom is the smallest unit of an element, having all the characteristics of that element.
Okay, really short and sweet, but they really did a good job explaining it. You know, you cut down gold as far as you can. It's still gold. Okay, water you keep going down as small as you can. Well, it ends up being 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen, and those would be atoms. When they're together, they're called molecules. So, yeah, atom, smallest thing that makes up matter. Not everything, but just matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and anything that has mass. So you just write down your definition right here. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so now. Hey, we're back. All right, welcome. All right, today, just working. You may not have finished the brain pop on Friday, but today I'd like to just go through the Ed puzzle, the Bill Nye. So if you guys want to go through that with me, and if you need to catch up on anything else, that's great. But I'm just going to go through the Ed puzzle with you guys. I have it all ready over here on a tab, and I can go through that with you if you guys don't mind. If you guys want to mute the tab and do your own thing, that's fine as well. That's it. When you guys get done, if you guys want to play, there's a couple of Legends learning games. There's a Gim kit. And please add to the Padlet. You guys, I keep seeing more stuff every day, so that's great. So we still got about a week to do that. So if you want to do that, that's great. Hey, if you just want to play around with the bending light, because we will get to something a little bit more important about this tomorrow. And you can play around with the wave interference as well if you'd like. Have a great day. Enjoy the nice weather. Let's just look real quick at your to-do list. Just going to see what to do when you guys finish up, if you guys do. Let's see, this will be gone by today. But then there is the Bill Nye we just talked about, so that's here. And then there is a lab that's due Thursday, so we'll start that tomorrow on Tuesday. And we have another Ed puzzle coming up too on the Magic School Bus. You know I had to. Here's the brain pop. Here's the assessment. This was just the scientist, the Padlet, like who did we miss? And then there is still an extra credit, so we got to check that one out. But I am excited about that one, what you guys have for that. So great. All right. Hopefully that was quick enough that we can stop now and get ready with our Bill Nye, the Science Guy, Ed puzzle on light optics. Cool. All right. Let me get rid of this so I can say a proper goodbye to you. Science. Okay. Hey, have a great day, guys, and listen to Mr. Whiteaker. Me. All right. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.